Today we are looking at a number 27 Clipper seed cleaner. We fitted this unit with this brand new auger that discharges at 6 foot 10 inches. We put a polyplastic screw in this cleaner for gentle handling of your crop. You can see that up in there. This will minimize seed damage as it's conveyed up this tube. We went through this unit completely, put a set of new brushes in it, and reworked it, made it mechanically sound. In a minute we're going to fire it up. Just a walk around of the unit. This unit is powered by a single phase 1 horsepower motor. Has the nice roll feed hopper option. Here is the unit running. Runs very nice and smooth. Everything works as it should. See the brushes change back and forth. So we don't have screens in this unit. Just a walk around of the unit. This unit is ready to go to work. Clean grain for a long time.